everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I'm super excited. I got my design team package from Inloveartshop. I will leave all the links down below, and then I will leave the store link down below. And guys, don't forget that if you would like to order from them, I have a coupon code, and it's Fury, F-U-R-Y, and you can save 25% on your next purchase from them, and I would truly appreciate it. Super excited. So let's see what I got to play with. Now let me just tell you about this little guy here. This is the cute rabbit cutting die since Halloween. See, I'm always thinking Halloween. Since Easter is coming up, look at this little guy. Is he not adorable? Oh my word. Look how cute with the little button eye. Let's see how big this little critter is. He is 3 inches wide by right at 2.5 inches tall. So isn't he adorable? I cannot wait to cut him out. And then this next set looks super fun. And I'm thinking that I would like to make a huge tag with this. This is called the Creative Film and Movie Projector Cutting Dies. And you get this set of dies, or this die here, which is tickets. And you know how we always love to cut out tickets. So you get this die here. Here is like the film. Then here's the film reels. And then there is that little clapper thing that, you know, that they use. And then here is a frame here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies in this set. Look how stinking fun. I mean, look how many these tickets. This ticket die is right at 9.5 inches long. And I bet it is 1.25 inches wide. And then you've got this film reel here, which is right at 4 and like 2 1/8. And then, of course, you've got your reels here. You've got a bigger one and a smaller one. And isn't that cute? I cannot wait to play with this one. So this is the Creative Film and Movie Projector die. So there's that one. And, okay, when I seen this, I thought, yep, this has got steampunk written all over it. And this is... Hold on just a second. Let me get this. I have a feeling I'm getting ready to sneeze. I don't know about you all, but man, these allergies are killing me. This is called the Vintage Steam Car Background Board Cutting Die. And it's got like this little steam car in the middle and this awesome frame around it. Talking about super stinking cute. And this is 4 7/8 by 3 7/8. Perfect for a card. Look how cute this is, guys. Love it, love it, love it. Can't wait to play with that one. And of course, without even saying it, I'm sure you know what I'm going to do with this one. This is called the Country Cottage Tag and Decoration Cutting Dies. And it's going to be perfect for a haunted house. Look at this. You've got, there's the roof, and then here would be your house. Here's the door, and here's like some windows. And here's the outer door and the windows. Oh, and this could be like a little sign that hangs off. So I can definitely see a Halloween spooky house with this die. How stinking cute is this? You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dies in this set. And your house base is going to be 3.5 by 2 3/4. And it's a little bit, oh, it's going to be so cute. It's got like this like wonky shape that would be perfect for a haunted house. Is that not adorable? Love it, love it. Okay, so that is going to be the Country Cottage Tag and Decoration. And this cute little die set is going to be It's called the Small Lawn and Love Mailbox Tag and Decoration Cut-in Dies. And it's like a little mailbox. Look how cute. So you can see the little mailbox that's open, and then it's got the grass, and then this could be a little letter. Here is your little flag. It's got a heart, and there's some grass there, and the side for your mailbox. How cute is that? That would be cute for like a memory decks card. It's like almost 2 inches wide, you know, all the way down here. So how cute is that? This will be fun. So this is the Small Lawn and Love Mailbox Tag and Decoration Die set. Fun, fun, fun. Guys, we just gonna have fun. Fun, fun, fun with these dies. I'm super excited. And this die set it's called Creative Irregular Rectangle Border and Frame. So look at how these different shapes. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 dies. And look how cute they are. The largest is 5 3/8 by almost, well, I bet it is 3 3/4. And then it goes all the way down. The smallest is going to be 3 3/4 by like 2 1/4. So you get 4 dies in this set. How cute is that? This is going to be fun to play with. So this is the Creative Irregular Rectangle Border die set. And this is going to be fun. This one right here. This is called the Needlework Button Paperclip and Sewing Machine Home Decor Cutting Dies. Look at this die set, guys. It's got the sewing machine. It's got a safety pin. It's got a needle here, and there's a closed safety pin. And then this has got a pin cushion. And look at that, how stinking cute this is. And let me tell you how big the sewing machine is. It's like 3 1/2 by 2 7/8. How stinking cute. And there's your button. I love that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies in that set. How stinking cute is that? So this is the Needlework Button Paperclip and Sewing Machine die. So there is that set. And we got a couple more. Have fun, fun, fun. See what I mean? Super excited. Now this one is adorable. Let me get it open. This is called the Hollow Scissors Heart Dies. And it comes with 2 dies, and it's got this beautiful scissor set die. And then here is a heart. And look at the filigree and the design in that heart. Gorgeous. Love it. And so your scissors is right at 4 1/2 inches tall. And then your heart is like right at 3 inches wide. So that, if you can see, that's a good size. That is a good size die set. So this is the Hollow Scissors Heart die set. And this one right here, this reminds me of a French fry box. And it's called the Cute Rabbit and Carrot Box Cutting Dies. And I want you to look. You get like the little French fry box. You get a carrot. And you put together a little bunny to put on this. And there's all these different dies. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dies in this set. And it looks like your box is probably going to be, let's see here. If I can get my ruler right. It's going to be 3 7/8 wide. And it'll probably be right at 3 inches tall. So that's a cute little die. That would be adorable in a Easter basket. So this is the Cute Rabbit and Carrot Box. And this one, I think, would even go with the this set here. with the film strip. This one is called the Creative Small Box 3D box. And it comes with 2 dies. And I will get it out, I promise. Get that out. And you could make a shaker out of this because it looks like a ticket, as you can see. So you could do like a ticket, and you could, this is going to be your top layer, and then this is going to be your bottom layer. This is going to be your top layer. And it is 3.5 by 1 3/4. Or was that 1 3/4? Get back here. Yep. Is that not adorable? So that would be a cute little ticket, a shaker, like an embellishment. So this is adorable. So I would like to thank Inloveartshop for this cooperation. I am having the best time. And guys, please go check them out. And don't forget that if you use my code, which is Fury, you will save 25% off your next order. And stay tuned, guys. We are going to start playing with these. So thank you so, so much for hanging with me. I truly appreciate it. May God bless each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.